In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your YouTube account on TV. Whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or just setting things up for the first time. It's a quick and easy process that unlocks your subscriptions, playlists, and recommendations. Start by opening the YouTube app on your TV. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Android TV, you'll usually find the YouTube app right on the home screen. Once the app opens, you'll see either the home page, if someone else is signed in, or a prompt asking you to sign in. Now grab your remote and look for the sign-in option. It might say something like, "Sign into YouTube," or show a profile icon with a question mark. Click on that. You'll be shown a code and a link like youtube.com/activate. Grab your phone or computer, open a browser, and go to that link. Sign in with the Google account you want to use for YouTube, then enter the code when prompted. Once confirmed, your TV will automatically log in to that account. From there, you can switch accounts anytime or stay signed in for personalized recommendations, playlists, and history. Thanks for watching. If this helped you sign in to your YouTube account on TV, drop a comment below and let me know which device you used: Roku, Fire TV, or Smart TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you next time.